Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Friends, I'm sitting in my balcony and enjoying the soothing view of my plants. Summer has almost destroyed many of my plants. This purple heart, wandering Jew, Calathea repens, they were cascading in their baskets. This is what it is left of them, and I plan to again plant them in hanging baskets. This is what life is, friends, ups and downs in life, and we have to adjust to different things that happen in our life. Friends, here I have planted pothos in this pot, and this is one variety of Chinese evergreen. It gives me a lot of mental peace and satisfaction when I am with my plants. It heals me internally. Here I have put some mint. Here I am getting one tomato plant which has come on its own, and I will repot it in a bigger pot. Some 2 tomato plants are coming. What happens, I will wash vegetables, and sometimes I will cut tomatoes and wash vegetables in that water. Why to waste? Okay, I will use for watering my plants. So that is why I think some seeds might have come and settled down here. That's how I got tomato plants, and nothing should be wasted. This seedlings also I will transplant in nice pot, and I will grow tomato plant. This is chukakura, friends. Once when I told my friends that I made palak dal, and I told my friends that this is a palak is grown in my garden, in my balcony. So they were all shocked in they had an expression of disbelief. So I thought, okay, let's make a video and show it to them. So that's how I started making videos of my small balcony garden. See, this is chukakura, and this is dhania, kothmir, coriander, whatever you please to call it. And this is all palak. My friends did not believe that I grow palak. See, I have harvested, made palak paneer. Again, it will grow back, no problem. And this is what you say, spring onions. Instead of spring onions, I can use this. See how it is growing. I have kept 2 onions. See, one is this and one is this. Whenever these green shoots grow, I harvest and use it for noodles. My daughter likes noodles. I use it for noodles. See, I've stopped buying spring onions and palak from outside. Step by step, So spring onions I take from here, palak I take from here, and now is the time of this chukakura. Now I will stop buying chukakura also from market. Once I think there are uh, 7 8 plants here. They can cut and you can cut and harvest it. The main plant will remain, just like palak, no? Palak, you can cut and harvest it. The main plant will remain. The leaves you can harvest and use. The main plant will be there only. But this coriander, it is not like that. Coriander, you have to pluck it out of the with roots. It will not grow again if you cut and harvest. Here I have harvested this coriander. Once the basket is empty, I will again repot something else, maybe coriander only. And this is that Calathea repens growing nicely. Friends, almost all my hanging pots are destroyed. So as it is raining now, I will start I will make new baskets, because I cannot see uh, my balcony bare. I wanted to make cascading plants and bio curtain, green bio curtain in my balcony, which I am sure to make it. Okay, friends, see, don't get disheartened. I have no place, I have only small balcony, like that. Even in small balcony also, you can grow some leaves, something that you can use in your food. This is ajwain patta, oregano. So now you believe, no? Only thing is there should be ample sunlight. No plant will survive without sunlight. If you have little place also, and you get lots of sunlight, that's it. You can grow small leafy vegetables. I have shown you how many kinds of vegetables now. Mint, I have shown you. Even mint I don't buy now. Mint also I harvest from here only. Mint, chukakura, palak, and kothmeer. This is tomato only, no? I think it is tomato only. Let me smell it. Yeah, it is smelling like tomato only, but the leaves are somewhat different. Anyway, I will transplant it and see. It is, if it is not tomato, I will pluck it out. Okay, friends, goodbye for now. Even y'all, if you have a little balcony also, and if you are getting ample sunlight, please do find some nice pots and plant some green vegetables, green leafy vegetables in this rainy season. It is very easy to grow. Okay, friends, bye for now. If you like the contents of this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.